Having trouble sending picture messages on Boost Mobile? MMS, or Multimedia Messaging Service, requires a working data connection to function properly. MMS includes picture messages, videos, and group texts. Unlike regular SMS text messages, MMS always needs your data connection to work. First, ensure your Boost Mobile account is active and in good standing. Check that you haven't exceeded your data limits, as MMS won't work without available data. A simple restart of your phone can often resolve temporary glitches that prevent MMS from working properly. Make sure airplane mode is turned off and do not disturb is disabled. Both of these settings can prevent MMS messages from sending or receiving. Make sure your phone's software is up to date. Software updates often include fixes for messaging and connectivity issues. If you're using a physical SIM card, try removing it and reinserting it. This ensures a proper connection and can resolve connectivity issues. Always use 10-digit phone numbers when sending messages and verify that contact information is correct. Try using your phone's default messaging app like Messages or Google Messages. If these quick fixes don't resolve your MMS issues, the problem likely lies with your APN settings, which require more advanced troubleshooting steps. APN settings are the gateway that connects your phone to mobile internet and enables MMS messaging. When these settings are incorrect, your multimedia messages simply won't work. Boost Mobile is currently transitioning its network infrastructure. The company now primarily uses AT&T's towers while still providing access to T-Mobile's network. This major change means your old APN settings might no longer work. Here are the current APN settings for Boost Mobile. These are the most commonly used settings that should restore your MMS functionality. Make note of each field as you'll need to enter them exactly. Boost Mobile also uses newer Dish Network settings in some areas. If the previous settings don't work, try these alternative APN configurations. The Dish Wireless Network is part of Boost's infrastructure expansion. To update your APN settings on Android, go to Settings, then Mobile Networks or Cellular Networks, then Access Point Names. The exact path varies by phone model, but the concept is the same across all Android devices. Boost Mobile provides a configuration app on the Google Play Store that can automatically set up your APN settings. This is often the easiest solution, as it eliminates the chance of manual entry errors. If APN settings don't solve your MMS issues, try resetting your network settings. This clears all network configurations and forces your phone to reconnect fresh. You'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords afterward. Remember the key steps. Try the Boost Mobile configuration app first, then manually enter APN settings if needed, and finally, reset network settings as a last resort. Most MMS issues can be resolved with the correct APN configuration.